Everybody always asks me, how do you drill holes so easy through leaf springs? I used to do it on Jeeps all the time, and now we're doing it on my 77 Nova. There's a lot of reasons why you'd want to, but today the reason why I'm doing it, I'm putting a bigger center pin in it. And you say, well, it's rusty, they're probably going to drill easy. Well, they even did it in the new one. So let's go check it out. So the bits I'm using are about $12.99 to $13.99. I'm using a 7/16 masonry bit with a carbide end. And these things just need a little oil on them, and they'll drill right through it. Now my drill is a piece of junk, really. It's old, but as you can see, it's chewing right through this. And I just use a little bit of oil, take my time. If you just keep going, it will drill right through it in seconds. But I'm not trying to burn this bit up because I'm trying to make it last. So I've used regular drill bits, the ones that cost like 30 bucks, and I can't even get them to last like 2 leaf springs. These are the bits I get to last the longest. I can usually do a whole job with these, and I do pretty much all the ones as you see in the video and more, and I even did the new one, so it doesn't matter if it's old or new, it'll work.